awake and had a dream the other day. I got to the gates of heaven and they turned me away. I'm guessing my past life, it must have been a fail. So I built a ship out of clouds and turned around and sail. Maybe I'm a different breed. Yeah. Maybe I'm a destiny. Yeah. So baby, I'm you heaven or hell, angel or demon. You must be fresh out of penis, cause everything ain't what it's seeming. Fan of fiascos, when shit gets insane then you beamin'. So I play my position like I had a twin on the opposite team. And mama, I need you to pray for me. Daddy, I need you to stay with me. Preacher, I need you to touch me now. Bitches, they keep trying to bust me down. Pussy is gonna be the death of me, and that gave me life ironically. You never stopped it, Dr. Robotnik. Now I'm living my life sonically. I tell you tales of knuckles to your eye. You touch my fucking pie. Constantly touch continents. Consonants can't fuck with I. Bow down and pray. They say I'll never see ya. I just put two and two together like the waist on ballerinas. And then I'm fucking across the sky. My heart is not for. I build a ship and maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm a destiny. Nope. So baby, I'm a baby. It seems as if I'm stuck at sea. I'm by myself with rap at least. No lights, fluorescent, no cameras, no flashing, just action please. These rappers be kidding themselves like pregnancy, thinking that they can deliver like me. They trippin'. Call me Tim, the Toolman Taylor. I got a wrench. They got a screw loose, but they choose to, so I'm leaving it. But when the time come, I'ma hammer it, cause I'm too legit. Too quick now, make a stand up nigga sit down when they figure out that we pissed on every tree around this bitch. We run this shit. This game is here for the taking. This life is arts and crafts, nigga. It's all about what you make it. Haters would quickly tell me what you can't do. You silly motherfucker. The difference is that I ain't you, so I can't lose. Yes, and then I fucking yes, across the sky. No, my heart is not for. I build a ship and maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm a destiny. So baby, I'm a
Hey, yo, Sap, what's good, bruh? This man's kinda high out here. Hey, yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room, yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it, cause you walking out in public and you hear him talking rubbish. I just wanna ride through the city in a cutlass. Find a big butt bitch somewhere, get my nuts kissed. That's the way it goes when you